DPRAG marketing department. Today, I'm going to introduce you about our Gemstone zirconia desk with a series of related dental materials which produced and developed independently by DPRAG. Nowadays, with the continuous deepening of industry's digitalization and improvement of people's oral health awareness, the global dental material market is keep expanding. The requirement for crown and bridge restoration is increasing, and patients' requirement for the quality and aesthetic effect is higher and higher. The zirconia desk as the mainstream, the market demand right now is very high. So do the performance by the customer. From the original white desk to single color desk until nowadays 3D multi-layer gradient zirconia desk. With the development of trend of no need for internal dyeing, high efficiency and productivity, zirconia desk replaces porcelain gradually. However, we have found the multi-layer zirconia desk on the current market is uneven due to the poor layering technique. And there is almost no brand can provide a whole complete specifications for various of dental indications. So we launched our own series of zirconia desk, Gemstone. Gemstone have 3 series. We have ST, SHT, and 3 PRO multi-layer zirconia desk. Each series have its advantages. The highest strength can reach up to 1350 MPa, and transparency can reach 57%. The whole series is very simple but complete, which can covering various of indications. Whole process of zirconia desk also support 3 common processing systems such as 98, 95, 92, which can be used for different dental laboratories. Gemstone's core concept is to make all porcelain aesthetic restoration easier with a combination of supervision and Gemstone zirconia desk. We can easily achieve bionic aesthetic treatment. With our unique fast sintering process, we can finish a whole program in 2.5 hours with its very high efficient and high productivity. Okay, let me briefly introduce you about our supervision stain and glaze. For this aesthetic set, as we can see, there have 4 basic shades from shade A, B, C, D, which is used to make the restoration surface to do the color correction. There also have 12 effect shades, which will make the restoration surface looks more natural and more close to a natural teeth to enhance the aesthetic effect. 3D Natural has ceramic particles inside, can replace porcelain to adding bite points and texture. There have also two transparent glaze, which will make the restoration surface more smoother and glassier. The two bottle shaping liquids is used to adjust the viscosity for 2D stains and 3D natural. Technicians only need to be familiar with the dyeing process to get started. Our supervision is designed to use with our Gemstone zirconia. According to different scenario, we have provided 4 basic solutions. For posterior teeth, usually do not have a very high request for aesthetic effect, but need a very high strength. So we suggest to use the basic STML zirconia, and after centering it, we can just glaze it to reach the final effect. For anterior teeth, usually request a higher aesthetic effect. Here, we suggest to use 3D multi-layer zirconia disc. And after centering it, we can use glaze to make the restoration surface with a bionic aesthetic effect. For bridge, usually it requires both high strength and high transparency. As we know, the traditional porcelain process is very complex, and the performance, to be honest, is very poor. So we need a more efficient way to solve this problem. Our 3D Pro is up to 1100 MPa in strength and can mill 40 units bridge. After centering, it will display in the gradient color, high transparency, and combined with the stain and glaze, we can easily to achieve a bionic aesthetic restoration effect. To further enhance our efficiency in our dental laboratory, later on we will also issue a gamma set. Let's pay attention to it. So why Gemstone? What is a good quality of zirconia disc? There have 2 characteristics. It must be with high strength and high transparency. Gemstone uses zirconia powder provided by Sinocera. It's a core supplier for the zirconia powder with a high purity nanoscale grade. It's also the second supplier on the world that master hydrothermal process in this industry. It alone shares about 11% of the world's market, which is a very big and a very professional company. We have spent almost 3 years on research and development. Nowadays, our zirconia disc can reach a very excellent performance. Centering time too long is a main phenomenon for most of the dental laboratory complaints, and sometimes can lead customer loss. Usually, the traditional process will last 6 to 10 hours, and many parents do not have patience to wait. The Gemstone series support a faster sintering process. We can finish the whole program in 88 minutes, which is very fast and time saving. Another way to say, it saved dental lab's time and improved its profit. 3D multi-layer gradient color zirconia on the market is a trend right now. However, due to the poor layering technique, the quality on the market is uneven, and the result usually is very unnatural. Gemstone adopts a more innovative way for layering process. We have also add various of metal oxide in the materials to make it stay a good performance in our oral environment for a long time. With 9 layers of color and 5 layers of material, our 3D Pro multi-layer zirconia desk can achieve a very natural gradient color effect with natural transparency and strength. Besides, except the traditional Vita 16 color, our 3D Pro also added 4 aesthetic white color, BL1 to BL4. All of these made our zirconia desk a wide range of applications from veneer to bridge. Nowadays, different dental laboratories business type is complex and diversity. If you purchase a set of dental equipment and materials from different suppliers, let's say from all over the world, the purchasing cost usually is very high, and it's a long time lasting job. And sometimes the after sales can be very headache. DPROG is trying to provide a one-stop solution for most of the dental laboratories. As the main consumable material of DPROG's digitalization system, our zirconia can also be used to match with a series of other products like intraoral scanner, sintering furnace, and our dental milling machine, supervision, and foreign paste, and porcelain oven to make the whole process more efficient to enhance the dental laboratory's productivity. DPROG cooperates with Tsinghua University, South China University of Technology, and many other famous universities to promote dental research and development and technological innovation. We will soon launch a 3D Ultra by using Tasso's newest raw material. Combined with our faster sintering process, we can finish a whole program within only 20 minutes, which is very fast and time efficient. Let's look forward to it. Today's introduction is almost over. Do you have any questions? So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us later, and you can also comment on the comment zone, and my colleague will answer all of your questions. The main feature for our Gemstone series is with a fast sintering process. This can very quickly promote, very bigly enhance our dental efficiency. And we have a very wide range of specifications which can meet various of dental indications. Besides, we have also a series of products which is used after sintering process, like our S7 zirconia fast sintering machine, like our boring paste supervision, and the porcelain oven, which is needed after the sintering process. If you have any interest, you are free to contact us. DPRAG is aiming to provide a one-stop solution for all the dental laboratories and techniques. We are expecting to build a mutual beneficial relationship with you all. Thank you for your time to watching this live show, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.